If you use Whop every day, turning on dark mode can make the app a lot easier on your eyes, especially when you're browsing at night. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode on the Whop app in just a few seconds. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and subscribe for more simple app tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open whop.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because the theme controls are located inside your profile menu, and you'll want to start from the main dashboard so everything is easy to find. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account drop-down menu. Take a second to scan the options in that menu, because the theme settings are usually placed near the bottom. If you don't see them right away, just scroll down to the very bottom of the drop-down. At the bottom, you'll notice 3 theme choices displayed side by side. The first one is the monitor icon, which stands for System Mode. That means Whop will match your device's theme settings automatically. The second one is the Sun icon, which is Light Mode. And the third one is the Moon icon, which is Dark Mode. To enable Dark Mode, simply click the Moon icon. As soon as you do that, Whop will instantly switch your dashboard and feed into Dark Mode. You should see the background change to a darker layout, which makes the interface feel smoother and more comfortable for low-light browsing. If you ever want to switch back later, you can come right back to the same menu and choose a different theme. That makes it super easy to customize the look of your Whop experience, depending on where you are and what works best for your eyes. So to recap, sign in to whop.com, open your profile menu from the top right corner, scroll to the bottom, and click the Moon icon to turn on dark mode. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick how-to videos, and leave a comment if you want to see more Whop tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.